Welcome to all. Let us see development of cylinder. A cylinder of base diameter 80 mm and axis length 120 mm is resting on horizontal plane at its base. A square hole of 50 mm side is punched on the surface of the cylinder. The axis of the hole intersect with the axis of the cylinder at right angles and bisect the axis of the cylinder. Draw the development of the lateral surface of the cylinder when the side of the hole are inclined at 45 degree to the horizontal plane. This question how to solve in the AutoCAD I explain now. First you have to take a line command, draw one reference line, ortho on first, ensure that ortho mode is on. Okay, next below the it is reference line, below the reference line you have to draw the cylinder. Go to circle diameter. I directly take diameter. This diameter given 80 mm. Select diameter of circle. Here you have to draw 80. Enter. I move the circle above the reference line. Okay. Now this circle you have to divide with 8 parts. Before that, you have in the command bar you have to type P type. Then only points style is visible. Go to P type. Any point style you can select a point size, ensure that 5 mm, and then next one set size set absolute unit. Always you got to select the second one, then give OK. Now type divide in the command bar and select the circle. 8 segment I divided, 8, enter. Okay. Next join with the straight line. All the points you have to join with straight line. Okay. Now this end you have to project up to the reference. Up to the reference, all the points you should project. Take line command here also and project this center point, project, and axis height. This center is this axis line. As per question, this height is 120 mm. Axis length is 120 mm. So I draw this, and here also 120. Enter. Enter. This line also 120. Enter. Again enter. 120. Enter. Then join with the line. Okay. This is the cylinder. You can look at the top view. It is a circle. In front view, it is a rectangle like this. Okay. 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 This cylinder you have to cut open the development. So it is a cylinder circular space. So pi d length you have to develop. Pi d length you have to calculate. Here type calculator. 3.14 into diameter of circle. Diameter how much? 80. 80. Enter this auto. I again do this. 3.14 into 80. 251.2. So take 251. Round value you take a pi d length. 251 length of rectangle. 251. Enter. And height of the cylinder, same height, 120. Enter. Again 251. Enter and close. Enter. Okay. This length also you have to divide with the same circle. We are divided 8 parts. This also 8 parts you have to divide. In the command bar, type divide. Select the baseline 8. Enter. Now you have to connect bottom to top with a straight line. Draw straight line like this. Okay. As per question, inside a square hole, 50 mm one side. Okay. Now draw this. Go to polygon. Select the polygon. Square hole. So number of side 4. Enter and select the edge option. Somewhere you can draw, then move. The one edge length is as per question 50 mm. 50. Enter. Okay. Next, it is the cylinder when the side of the hole is inclined 45 degree to horizontal plane. So you have to rotate 45 degree. Select a rotate command. Select the object. Enter. Keep any one base corner. Angle 45. Enter. Okay. Now you have to use move command. Move. Select the object. Enter. Pick the center point of the circular hole. Keep like this. Okay. Now you give annotated labeling, then only understand the problem easily. Go to annotate, select a single line text, letter height. I give 5. Enter. Angle of rotation 0. Enter. Height is 10. Okay, 10. Enter. 0. Enter. Give small a, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay. Here A dash and this corner is A dash. Next B dash and H dash here. B dash bracket H dash. Here C dash and G dash. C dash then bracket G dash. Okay. Next, D dash and F dash. D dash within bracket F dash. Okay. The last one is E dash here. Okay. Here caps A, B, next C, this D, E, F, G, H. Again another end, it is another end, so again A. Enter. Okay. Now this circular hole, this also you have to divide with 8 parts. I draw one line. This is you have to divide 2. Divide, select this line, number of segment 2, and divide. Divide this line 2, enter. I draw one more line here. Okay. Divide this line 2 segment 2, enter. Enter this also 2 segment, you got to divide. Okay. Divide like this. Okay. Next, I give the dimensions. Go to linear. The height of the cylinder 120 mm and diameter of circle 80 mm. After you have to develop this cylinder, pi d length 251. This also same height, same 120. Next, this square hole, one side is give aligned length here to here 50 mm. Okay. Now this circular hole passing through the cylinder. So we are find out this. This corner 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. The first corner I project up to the downside the cylinder. Okay. The first circular hole, first this corner point I passing through with a line. This cut the cylinder here. Okay. From the center to draw one line here. Okay. Now you have to select R command. Select sender start end. Select a sender start end from this O. This is the center, and this B point is start point, and it is end point. Hold the control button in the keyboard. Draw the arc. This arc. Okay. This arc length you have to find out. Go to aligned in the dimension annotation toolbar. Arc length also available. Select arc length and move somewhere. This arc length is 11.95. So take one line from B to this side. Take reference B. Because we are drawing like this arc here. So from B to 11.95. 0.95, enter, draw one line. Okay, this is this corner, a corner, project this. Here you mark the point, put point. Okay, I change the color. Okay, I find this corner one point. Okay, next I find out this point. I find out this point. Project the line up to the cylinder. Downwards, draw like this. Okay. Now I delete this dimensions. Okay. From B to this length, I have to measure the. So take from here to draw I one line. This arc length I want to measure the. So go to center, start, end. From center you can start. From B to this length. This length I want to measure the. Go to arc length. Select this. Again go arc length. Select arc. 13.11. B to right side. B to right side 13 point line I want to mark. Go to line command. From B to this side 13.11 and draw one line. Okay. Which point? This point. This point I change the color. Okay. Okay. Here you mark the point. Put point. Okay, and I change the color. Okay. Next I find out this. The top and bottom no need change. Okay. This lengthwise only it is changed. Okay. The top corner directly draw some length from where it is passing through C. So here directly would point here. Okay. Okay, this point I wrongly doing the extend this line. Go to extend. Okay. Here come. Okay. I move that. Move. Enter. Okay. Linear from B to this length 11.95. Linear from B to this length 13.11. Okay. We find out 3 points. This is enough. Remaining points are you have to mirror and find this. Okay. Now you have join with the spline curve. Just connect the 3 points with the spline curve. Go to draw command. Select spline curve. First point, second point, and the third point. Ortho mode off. Okay. Somewhere click like this and enter this. Enter. Now trim unwanted lines. The extra lines you got to trim. Okay. This curve only you have to draw. Other side you have to mirror it. No need to find all the points. It's more time taken. So mirror, select these points and curve, enter from here to no. Okay. Next again mirror, select, enter from center to center. You know. Okay. This is drilled hole. Open and develop the cylinder. This square hole like this, look like this only. I change this color and I increase the curve thickness. Go to properties, bilayer, second bilayer, select 0.3 mm and line width setting, display the line width, look like this. Okay. Next, you have mirror about this side. Go to mirror, enter. From the center of the cylinder, you got to find out the center. I draw one line from here. Okay. It is center. Okay. Mirror, enter. You know. Okay. Okay. This is final solution of the development of cylinder. Okay. Now we are checking this linear from this square hole. It is 70.71. Okay. In the circular portion, it is 70.71. Okay. This through hole. So we find it two holes there. It is front side, it is back side of the cylinder. Okay. Now we are checking after development. See here to here, 86.65. This square hole, after open the cylinder, it is enlarged. This lengthwise only enlarged is 86.65. This is our final solution. This question, final solution like this only. Okay, thank you.